Bank of America experienced record inflows into the market this week, over $50 billion. And it's not like we saw some massive jump in the market this week. This could have been the most flat, calm market we've seen since before the pandemic. It was very chill, very calm, flat market. Each day was trading within a relatively tight range. Yes, we did have some interesting spills, but nothing too crazy. And the market was not able to maintain that spilling or selling momentum for a very long time. So you could look at this massive inflow, the flat market, and say, all right, things are okay. And I do think things are okay for the most part. But it is possible that we did just get a massive inflow into the market, and next week there's going to be some sort of air pocket. And this air pocket might give a little burst and lead us down a couple percent lower as people freak out and, kind of try and jam things into bid prices when there's slightly less bid prices out there. So we will see what happens. It is possible that all this inflow prevented these sell-offs from happening and people were just ready to put cash to work. They saw a sharp move and bought, and that kind of gave us a stop. I don't know. This is just thinking and theories. But I'm staying long for the most part. What I did do is I did put some hedges up, bought some SPY put options that are going to expire late February. Nothing crazy, just give myself some protection, have something positively correlated to any sort of sell-off, I don't even want to use the term sell-off because, here's the thing, right? These sharp downturns, these, that you see in the middle of the day on Wednesday and Thursday, those are reactions by people who assume the market's going to fall 10 or 20% like it has periodically throughout history. But in order for that to happen, in my opinion, something fundamental has to change in the economy or the makeup of the stock market or in the news. And I just don't see that happening. We have weathered that event. That has been the coronavirus event. And it's no longer a thing. So we're just kind of cruising with the wind, and the wind is going up. We've talked about it before. There are stimulative pressures, there are liquidity pressures, and there are inflationary pressures. And it's going to be hard for the market to experience any sort of prolonged sell-off. So I say get long. Maybe it's a fine idea to put some protection on as a trade, but there's no reason to be shorting the market or all cash, none of that kind of stuff. We will see what happens. Things will happen. And have a good weekend. And until next time, peace out.